Peace, it's the bearded Heru, and today I'll be doing a product review on the Flex Series shaving kit by Freebird. You know, I've been saying this all around social media, YouTube, Instagram, everywhere. I've been saying this product and a lot of products like it. You know, I'm accustomed to using the T-liners. One reason why I always use the T-liners is because they didn't leave any bumps on the back of my neck. A lot of those shaving products, to me and my sensitive skin, you know, they'll leave bumps and scars and stuff on me. So I tend to lay with the T-liners, you know what I'm saying? But today, I'ma cheat on the T-liners. I'ma cheat on them, you know what I'm saying? So today, I'm gonna do a product review and a demonstration of the Flex Series shaving kit by Freebird. It's the bearded Heru. Come on and rock with me.
I been official, big dog in the yard, voted more likely to murder every birthday I start. So
I actually haven't shaved in a whole week. You know, that's bad for somebody who walks around with a bald head. So right now, I'm gonna do an unveiling. Ooh, that's George Jefferson. All day, that's George Jefferson. Let me also say that I charged it up yesterday, so for the sake of the video, it's already charged up, but when you get it, it's a USB hookup. So let's get to it. Check this out also. I'm raw and real. I'm not even finna read any instructions. So in the box, it look like a regular shaving head, and you got some guards. This may be a exfoliating brush, maybe. I'm assuming it's to clean the hair. I don't know exactly what this is about. And this head looks like the booger nose. Look like it, you know, I need one of those. But let's get to it. So, take the cover off, go and do that. You know, that's self-explanatory. And we're gonna go ahead with it. We're gonna see what it's talking about. Now, I don't know if I'm supposed to go in the circular motion or anything like that. But I'm getting to it. Let me also say, having a bald head is a real job. And shaving sometimes really does become a hassle. You know, so normally I have to shave every 2 days with the T-liners. Every 2 days, that'll keep it fresh and neat. So I don't know exactly how this is gonna go with this product, but it feels good. It feels good. I think I need to go in a circular motion. I think that's how it's supposed to go, in a circular motion. But we'll see. I don't know if I need to go clockwise or counterclockwise. But we'll see. You know, something I will also say is it's not rough. It's very soft. Also, it has movement. Feels like it's gripping or hugging, should I say, certain parts and angles of my head. But it's been longer than 90 seconds. I don't know if this the same product that said it could do it in 90 seconds, but like I said, it's been a whole week since I shaved. been longer than 90 seconds, but it's not bad so far. It's taking a while because I'm really trying to find my groove, because if this is the product that everybody says it is, you know, I want to go ahead and know how to use it so I can, you know, use it in a couple of minutes and be done with it. But it's not a bad experience so far, you know. I'm just trying to find my groove. Like, am I supposed to go clockwise, counterclockwise, up and down, you know, side to side or whatever, you know. But you know, us bald head, man, you know, we go through it too. It ain't all about just showing up with a bald head. You know, we gotta find the best products also. You know, it's hard work, you know, maintaining the fresh bald head. You know what I'm saying? Just like everybody else with their hairstyle. So we wanna make sure we got a real good product, you know, that suits the person. And look at that beard. Just look at that beard. All week I was lost, but now I'm found. Back in a minute. Now before I give my take and my thoughts on it, let me use another attachment, you know, just to see how everything works. So we're gonna try the booger nose attachment. Let's try it out. That's some man shit, you know. Having hair coming out your nose, you know, especially if it start turning gray. And let me open up the blade one time and see what's going on with that. They say you have to replace the blades ever so often. But let me see. You open it from this way, and then you see all the hair. So open it from the razor part, and you see all the hair and the dust. So we're gonna do the whole package. We're gonna show you how I'm really getting down with it. I saw on a commercial that you can run it under the sink. But at the beginning of this video, I told y'all I wasn't reading any instructions, that I was gonna do it freestyle. You know, certain men, we have common sense, and certain things just don't need instructions. You know, that's a chauvinistic way of saying something, but that's what it is. That's what it is. This, when it comes to shaving equipment for men, it also has to pass a couple of tests. We got to do one of them right now. The alcohol test. So let's get to it. It's not even burning. It's not even burning. It's not even burning. So this was my product review of the Flex Series shaving kit by Freebird. You know, it's a pretty dope product. You know, I'm pleased with it on the first one.
I been official, big dog in the yard, voted most likely to murder every birthday I start. So